Okay, hello everyone again. Glad to see you this great Friday. Happy Friday to all of you. It's really a good day today, and the date actually. So today we have our usual AMA session. I will share with you some great and interesting news, exciting news regarding our products, regarding our development, and it's really excited news. And the whole of the day I just tried to fix myself, not share it earlier with you. So okay, let's start step by step and one by one. So first of all, many of you waiting for the Solana DEX listing of a BIT token. So this is a very good and interesting topic for all of us. And we have a very strong and great news about it. So actually, you know what, our token has a deflationary model, what works on Binance Smart Chain. And we have a 6% of a tax, 4% goes to burning, and 2% goes to all wallets in a network. So if and we had some kind of small problem before, an issue. What if we will list it on classic Solana DEX like Serum or others, where this deflationary model will not work, because this DEX, official Solana DEX, not support our deflationary model or any deflationary model. So actually, a couple weeks ago, when we announced about Solana DEX, we decided to develop our own Solana DEX. So this is very huge. It's a great news. It's a huge boom, because imagine we are developing our own Solana DEX. We're using Solana platform, Solana smart contracts, and making our own Solana DEX. Just specially for the BIT token and for the keeping of deflationary model, because we want to have a burning, we want to have a distribution of rewards to your wallets, 2% tax. So we want to keep this model further, and that's why we are working right now about building our own Solana DEX. It will be based on Biconomy. Only BIT token, first of all, will be listed over there. With some time, we will list our tokens on this DEX, because it able to support many coins based on Solana. So so this is very huge, guys. You can't imagine what actually this means, because we building the whole DEX. Like, for example, I said what will be listed on Serum. You can go and check serum.io. So the same DEX we will have by our own. So currently it's on development, because we don't just making the listing of a bit on the Serum. Because if we will do so, we cut off our deflationary model for Solana network, and burning will be not such faster. So of course, development of a DEX needs more time, but our developers doing everything to provide it very fast, as soon as possible. So nearly in 1 week it will be ready. So next week our own Solana DEX will be ready for BIT token. This is very huge, guys. I'm really glad to share this with you, because it's absolutely unique, and our tech team doing the great things and great development. So we're not building bridges, we're not making listing without deflationary model. We're doing our all things and developing the huge and great projects and products. So we building our own Solana DEX. In 1 week the BIT token will be listed on it. It will be based on main website, or maybe we just used another website, because actually it's another DEX product. What actually our products working about it for the years to create such a DEX, and we making it just like in 1 month, less than 1 month. So it's really huge, guys, and I'm really glad to share this information with you. And you don't need to worry about deflationary model and the burning tokens. So we on PancakeSwap with Binance Smart Chain and on Solana network, on our own Solana DEX, the burning will happen. And now it will, after the listing of BitToken, it will happen 2 times faster, as you can imagine. So it's really huge. I'm really excited and glad to have this in plan, because we had many discussions to build it or just to make listing without deflationary model. But there is no sense to just make listing, maybe get some additional trading volumes for the token, but without deflationary model, it's not our token. It's just something else, but not BIT token. So that's why we going further and making such a huge development right now. And just imagine, it takes only 1 month for us to make Solana DEX. And again, next week it will be ready and BIT will be tradable on Solana DEX, on our own Solana DEX. So I will continue to repeat it again and again, because it's so pleasure to hear this, because it's really huge, guys. It's really huge, and in the future we are able, as acting as an official Solana DEX, we are able to list any Solana project on this DEX, and it can be like our side project and the part of Biconomy and Bit ecosystem. So for us, it's only beneficial. For us, it's good for development. For us, it's very good for the friendship and partnership between Biconomy and Solana. And right now, we've negotiations with them to make our relations more closer. I'm personally giving the huge bet on Solana platform, because it's very good technologies. We have a very cheap transactions. I'm really sure in couple years it will kill Ethereum for sure. If Ethereum will not make any good products and totally not change the situation with gas and commissions, Solana will kill Ethereum, because it's very strong technology. It's very good and strong team. We currently we've currently good development, and as exchange we want to be good partners and friends with them. So you saw we just listed Solana token on our platform, Solana coin, so you're able to trade it. Welcome to trade it on Biconomy. And because we are crypto exchange and we making our own Solana DEX as a crypto exchange, it's absolutely unique on the market. And of course, Solana will support us and help to promote this solution, help to attract community attention to this product. So guys, really huge really huge things also ongoing in the future with us, and we working hard about moving forward. Let me explain you shortly how actually the migration of BIT token will happen to Solana. So we make it quite simple and classic for the market. We are doing we are taking certain part of BIT tokens. We will decide it We already decided, we will announce it later. So we taken this part and creating a new token on Solana with supply, with certain supply amount, and in Binance Smart Chain bit token, we are burning this amount what will be created on Solana. So the total supply of bit token by two networks will be the same. Totally one trillion bit tokens as a total supply will exist on the market. So again, we just taking some part of bit tokens in Binance Smart Chain and burn them, and creating new supply on Solana network. So it's actually easiest way usual on the market, and you see we have a lot of development due the creation of Solana DEX. So no time to have bridges, and it's very difficult and not good way, because more easier to use it separately and not just have some bridge troubles, because most of the bridges currently on the market works not really well, and we actually informed about it and just don't want to give you additional troubles. And regarding Solana DEX development also and BitToken development, the further step what we actually will do with Solana DEX, we will build Solana swap, Solana network based swap. So actually the listing of a bit and creation of on Solana DEX, it's like first step, and after that we just develop it as pancake swap and add more tokens, add more liquidity and different tokens, coins, and actually you will able to swap bit to many tokens and coins what's actually tradable on Biconomy exchange, or we can add any more and our else. There is no problem. So already right now we are working about solution. So after the existing and listing of bit tokens on our own Solana DEX, we are working hard about Solana swap. I mean, this swap will be on Solana network, not on Binance Smart Chain, because our priority right now to make mostly development on Solana network, because we see a huge opportunity and huge potential of a network and this collaboration. So this is a really huge. I think you understand it. If you didn't get the whole idea, first of all, this AMR will be recorded, and we will publish it in YouTube. And right now, when I finish with major topics and news, we will unmute the chat, and you will able to ask questions. And of course, we will provide summary of this AMR session for you in text format. So do not worry. You will not miss anything. So again, own Solana DEX on Biconomy. It's amazing, guys. It's really amazing and huge. And it shows the power of our developers. It shows our ambition goals and like our movement and our goal about like reaching top 10 exchanges going closer and closer, because with this development, with these products on the board, we easily will be in top ratings, and we will be a very strong and good ecosystem to join. Okay, the second huge thing I want to share with you, it's also really, really huge. Okay, so right now, as you know, Biconomy has a second year anniversary right now celebration. So regarding this topic, right now we see what market is very good and bullish and positive, and we know what we need to get this opportunity, take it and use it for our benefits and benefits for of Biconomy and BitToken. So we decided to make the second round of airdrop on coin market cap. Boom. It's really huge, guys. It's really huge. So again, it will be a $50,000 reward, rewards provided in bit tokens. It will be handled on coin market cap right now. We are in negotiations and filling application forms. So we planning to launch it from October 20th, and it will continue 20 days, same as previous, until the 9th of November. And of course, you understand what the major goal is: to attract more community members, because we want to grow, we want to be a big, and we need to have a huge community worldwide. And CoinMarketCap actually the leader and top platform with big like 300 million people monthly traffic. And last airdrop was very successful. During the last airdrop, all of you actually joined our exchange and joined the BitToken launch, and many of you made money on it and good profits. So thank you for your support. Thank you for being with us. And you see what we have a very good and ambitious plan. So second round of airdrop on CoinMarketCap, playing right now in work process. So again, from 20th October till 9th November, it will happen. $50,000 airdrop. We have a very good and strong plans and expectations from this airdrop. We're making good preparations and want to make good worldwide announcements, and also want to have promotion from KOLs about airdrop and all our development things. So this is gonna be really huge, I promise you. And actually, our goal to have more than 100,000 people in our Telegram, active people. So actually, it's achievable. We know how to do it, and CoinMarketCap will help about it. So it's a second huge thing, and I'm glad to share it with you. It's really great and pleasure. So I think you understand this and understand what development we will have due to these kind of things making done. Okay. The next topic I want to share with you is actually our Biconomy birthday celebration. So it's actually ongoing, and I hope you are you're already participating. So right now I'm talking about our 2-year anniversary celebration. You actually saw the post in our Telegram group. Let me send it again, so just to remind you. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, we have a total reward as a $20,000 in bit tokens, and we actually provided a good opportunity for many people to join it and have availability to get rewards. So we have a different tasks, actually 4 tasks, and you're able to make it all of them, or you're able to pick one and just participate in it. So the task is as follows. It says staking, bit staking rewards. It's $5,000 in bit tokens. It's friends invitation, and attracting them to trade um, on Biconomy exchange and be our registered users and investors and traders. So we divided $10,000 in USDT as a bonus on our platform. Also, it's a trading competition with $4,000 bonus. So you just need to be active and trade during the period. So actually, the working period of this activity is it goes right now, and it works until the end of October. So yeah, from October 11th till October 31st, we are conducting following activities. So guys, hurry up, time is running. You are able to participate and make different things. You can invite, you can only work about inviting other friends. So we are paying actually 5 USDT for every invited friend, but don't forget they need to pass KYC. Or you can make a new staking for 50 BUSD minimum, and you also able to participate in this activity. Also, each activity has a independent Google form, so please pay attention to this and don't forget to fill up the Google form, or you will not able to get the rewards. So $1,000 in bit tokens divided to friends invitation activity. So your friends need to follow our social networks, subscribe it, and where you're able to get up to $2 in bit tokens. So it's actually good rewards for joining our Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Just easy tasks and good money actually for nothing. So also don't forget, each activity has independent Google application form, and you need to provide these details, because by these details we will check your performance, and we also will distribute with tokens and rewards to your wallets. Okay. So again, $20,000 is total reward. Activity goes until the end of October. So hurry up. Time is running. You're able to get good money from it. And just join. Okay. Also, we have another activity. Don't forget about it. And I want just remind you, it's actually a good task for creators who actually like to create something, like to have good design skills and these kind of things. So I also want to remind you. I will share the full post right now with you. So this activity actually started, and the main goal do this activity is to promote our brand. We want to promote Bit and Biconomy brand more worldwide. So it's why we started this activity. So you able to join 15 millions of bit tokens as reward provided for this activity. Very good money. Actually, like video reviews, stickers, gifts, we're able to get like 2 million in bit tokens. So right now it's like around like $30, I think, around $50. So it's very good money. Actually, I see very good and interesting gifts what was created by community. Oh, I don't have it right now with me, but some very interesting and I like them. They have a very good quality and very interesting works. So we definitely pick the best of them. And these people will be rewarded and get bit tokens, more bit tokens. Yeah. So remind you, you need to create 5 gifts at least to participate, 5 stickers in Telegram, and also right now I didn't see any YouTube reviews for about Biconomy and BitToken. So guys, let's create some videos. You understand what actually it's very beneficial for the project. So if you want to, if you have some skills, you can just make a just, of course it's not professional review, but anyway, if you have a YouTube account and even 100 people subscribed for your account, it's good enough to make a video and promote BitToken, promote Biconomy exchange. So yeah, here is a like couple good ones what I like mostly from the gifts. It's really amazing, guys. So thank you. Oh, it's thank you so much for creation this. Because Biconomy is real diamond on the market, and all of you understand it actually. And I'm happy what you have this clear understanding. Okay, good. So as you can see, due to anniversary, we have already 2 activities ongoing, and the third one will be airdrop with coin market cap. So guys, just participate, be active, and get your money. Easy money on the market. Okay. Yeah, I just shared this picture with you regarding our community development. Yeah, this one. So currently we have a 48 community members in Twitter, 50,000 community members in Telegram. It's by all our Telegram groups and channels. We have 20 languages, worldwide chats and groups, and we have 5 offices worldwide. So it's really impressive. remind you what Biconomy exchange is 2 years old. We celebrating our second anniversary, so it's really good results for now. And actually, where mostly this community and these amounts was achieved just after the launch of BitToken, and after our um, after our good development, strong development, and goals to attract more users and community. So I want to congratulate you also, and want to again to appreciate and say big thank you for being with us, for joining us, for your very active work. I see how you love Biconomy. I see how you love BitToken, and thank you so much for your support. All of the time, I'm telling about what we are actually one big family. Right now, I'm talking like Vin Diesel. uh, but actually, yeah, we are. I see what in the global chat we have very good and positive feedbacks. We have a good and positive mood of the people. So I'm really glad to see this, and really glad to have such a good and positive community. And I'm pretty sure what with this community we will definitely achieve our goals easy and maybe faster. So again, our goal is in 1 year to be a top 10 cryptocurrency exchange on the market, and our goal also to push and create also additional value to be top 50 token for BitToken on the market. And we definitely have all utilities, all opportunities, and all basement to make this and to do so. Because we have developed Solana DEX, our own Solana DEX in just 1 month. So it's very huge, guys. Okay, I think we are good to move to the questions, because definitely many of you has a lot of questions right now. So let me answer many of them. Okay, we can unmute the chat now. And let's go with your questions. Okay. Okay, guys, questions time. Oh, the whole list of the questions. Great. How much coin you are going to burn in Binance chain for new Solana DEX coin? Guys, right now I can disclose this information because we're still in development. I think it will be like 10 up to 20% of total supply. So again, this amount will be burned on Binance Smart Chain, and it will appear and will be created on Solana DEX, on Solana chain. So the total supply will be the same. We don't create in any additional amount of the tokens. And huge, but it will be double power burning over bit tokens and double power deflationary model, because it will work on Binance Smart Chain and PancakeSwap, and it will work on Solana chain and our own Solana DEX. When will Bit cross-chain Sol? Are there any plans for cross-chain follow-up? And what is the effect on Bit after cross-chain? As you see, it's not kind of cross-chain solution. It's because cross-chain usually uses bridges, so we just using different chains and we not cross them. We keep them independently for current time. About Solana development, I already explained you. So we are interested to move forward and create it to and move to Solana swap and develop Solana swap and add many tokens for availability to swap on this platform. Also, Solana smart contracts will be used in BitDAO platform and BitDAO governance system. We actually have this system on roadmap and it's also in development. And about Binance Smart Chain development, right now we on PancakeSwap. Bitstaking also works on Binance Smart Chain. Oh, regarding Bitstaking also, one more thing. First time the staking on Solana chain will not work because it also needs additional development, and also we need to be sure what people will be active enough to use Solana, and we will have a good enough volumes. So when we will see what actually you are using Solana much and we have a good trading volumes on Solana network, we will add Solana staking also. When will BIT be listed on the Biconomy exchange, and what are the plans after is listed on the exchange? Guys, please don't ask same questions, because I actually providing the answer every AMA for this question. So we planning to list BIT token on Biconomy exchange in the end of October. But due to the development of own Solana DEX, it's also can be a little bit postponed, maybe for 1 week, something like that. So do not worry. And after listing on Biconomy exchange of the BIT token, we will move forward with listings on another centralized exchanges. Will BIT be listed on our major exchanges in November? For example, Binance, Coinbase, or when do you plan to show BIT on these exchanges? Yeah, again, after we will be listed on own Biconomy, we will move forward to our exchanges. To our top exchanges. So until the end of the year 2021, of course we have a goal to appear on maximum centralized exchanges, so we will work hard about it. And again, you need to understand what all of these exchanges have a straight and transparent process of the listing, as we also have, and they want to see only the best projects. Sorry, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. We want to see and list only the best projects on the market with strong and good community. So that's why I'm always asking you to be active, to promote us as you can, and what's in your power. Make retweets, make gifts, tag different exchanges and projects, attract more attention in Twitter, in Telegram, doesn't matter. So just help us also to distribute the news about Biconomy and BitToken, because without your help, of course, we're doing PR and marketing things, but always community power and community information from community and recommendations from community. It is the strongest thing on the crypto market. So that's why we need it so much. If Bit listed on Biconomy exchange, will it start USDT dividends or wait until 500 billion is destroyed? Again, explanation about dividends. Dividends will be paid for you dependable on the market situation. I think this comment. No. Okay. Because we actually have it in some announcements and information. Dividends will be paid once a quarter. We will not pay full-time basis, so it will actually work like stock exchanges companies. They have dividends each quarter, and they get it and it do the profitability of a company and the economic situation inside of a company. So we have the same. We can't just give away all of the profits because we need some funds for PR marketing, for the team needs, for development and all things to do, because we are big and strong business and we have many expenses and spendings. So you need to understand it, and once a quarter we will pay with dividends, so you can expect it like in December, and of course we will have its special announcement, so we will check our budget for the quarter and decide will we pay it or not, because in stock market also sometimes investors don't have dividends because company have a problems, company don't have enough profits or have a big spendings. So you need to understand it, and of course we developing and doing everything to for you to get benefits. So again, once a quarter based on market situation and our revenue situation. And it's not actually have relations with destroyed funds. And don't think what we have a goal about 500 billion destruction and burning. We don't have this amount in mind, so we never said what we have a goal to burn 500 billion. So we will decide it to accordingly our economics, market situation, and we will look out. So current deflationary model, burning model, will work and will proceed until our team decision. And after that, we will not stop it. We will just make it slower. Probably we will make a smaller burn-in amount, maybe like 1% or 2%. So we will make it smaller, but it will keep work. Chinese language, guys. During last AMA, I explained all of you. Sorry, I don't want to repeat it again. Don't push it again, and don't push it hard. or we just close the eyes to Chinese market. We don't want to do it, but you guys push very strong, and it's not good. Again, the situation about China is not good right now. We can't go straight. We can't add Chinese languages because we don't want to be banned in China. Because if we will be banned, our website, our applications, you will not able to trade on our exchange. You need to move to, I don't know, Vietnam, Philippines, doesn't matter. But you are located in China and you want to use us and trade with us in located in China. So that's why we in this situation we are glad to add languages to app and website, but this is a huge risk for us. So until the situation will not be positive about China, we will not add it. Sorry, but we just can't. Oh, during last I mentioned what we can actually add traditional one. So we still in internal discussion, traditional Chinese. We still in internal discussion. So you actually in Chinese community and group can make kind of voting, and if majority of the people good with this decision, and if we can yeah, I see what you saying about traditional. If you're good with it, okay, we can add it, and definitely we can start to work about it from next week. Okay. Any updates regarding BitToken listing on exchange? Please check this video again. As you have developed your own Solana DEX, do you think of audit for that? Sometimes people very funny. I don't know what to say. Okay, you can go to the Serum DEX and ask for their audits. Do they have any technical audits? If you want to personally for you, we can order it. But this is a DEX, and actually it works like automatic robot, and it don't have a owner. It don't need to be audited or something. Some things like this. And because we are working closely with Solana, we actually can assure the secure of this DEX. So do not worry about it. Nobody will steal your money until you will send it to your own address. So just be care about your personal things, because mostly people losing money they will not care about personal security and just making own mistakes. Why beat to the moon? Why not? Actually, you can see it. You can see what we have a very huge things. No one exchange of a market not created Solana DEX yet. We are the first, and we creating it actually only for our bit token for now. So this is a very huge thing, and of course, for the further development of exchange of bit token, this basement and these fundamental things and developments will play a great and huge role, because this is really huge and good development in product. When Bit have a blockchain, sir? Check our roadmap again. um, Guys, want to ask you, always do your research, because a lot of answers is behind your eyes and you can see them. I see some people that even don't check pinned messages, and all information actually sometimes is in previous couple messages or in pinned message, but people just asking when, why, what. Guys, if you want to be a good holders, if you want to be success on in investment and cryptocurrency market, you need to be clever, you need to think and be wisdom to, and you need to check out all information around you, not be just straight looking. Invest your time, because you invest your money in bit token, in I don't know, any token on the market. So invest your money in it and you will see all of the details. So we have a blockchain. We have a plan to develop our own blockchain for bit token. um, we will start hard to work about like in 6 months, and probably it will take us to build it like 1 year, and probably it will be Solana based. Thanks you for everything, but you said you're going to create token in Solana. Are you going to add more, or you going to use the same bit? How many tokens do we have now? The price will be the same in Binance and Solana. Price will be the same, and you need to be more attentive. I said and explained this again. We will take okay, let me, for a guess now, it's not certain amount, like 10% of tokens we will take in Binance Smart Chain and burn them. And this 10% amount of the tokens we will create in Solana. So total supply of bit on the whole market of cryptocurrency will be the same. Price will be the same because it's a live market, and it will be we will start it on the certain price, and you guys able to make it same, and we will take care about it also. Is there a marketing manager to talk to about the sponsor? Please send your offers to our Telegram admins. How long can the LP stake last? Yeah, this is a good question, and I see many people asking it. So as you can see, for liquidity, we actually mentioned it in our Medium article. Let me just send it to you. We actually have a reward pool of let me find out, 10 billion bit tokens. Yeah. $10 billion of bit tokens as a reward. So all is calculated in system. So you still can join to our bit staking. But when this amount will be calculated, and we will see what all people, it will be limited number of people. So when we will see what API and number of people is equal to this reward amount, we will stop this round of bit staking. So just join now, join as soon as possible, and we actually have a special reward during our anniversary. Yeah, here's it. It actually was mentioned also during the last AMA. Okay, okay. Mm, you have many questions? Yeah, again. um, Trading on Sol is the same pool as tokens in Binance Smart Chain. No, it's another pool because it's different blockchains and networks. So another pool will be created. On Solana network, another supply already answered. Any planning for single bit token LP staking also was mentioned during last AMA. When we will be on our own blockchain, we can do any staking and also single bit token staking. So if investor decided to choose Solana since you are going to develop a swap in Solana, how about the Binance Smart Chain? And what's the benefits for those who is holding it in Binance Smart Chain if for example, the price of Bit in Solana pumps? Guys, you probably don't understand how it works on the market, so I recommend you to make research. Actually, many tokens, doesn't matter, exchange tokens, different coins, they actually working on different blockchains. So they can work on Ethereum, they can work on Tron, they can work on EOS, and this is the same token. They can work on Solana, and all benefits. So it's just one token ecosystem, and it's just on different blockchains because you see there is a different chains on the market, and projects and tokens won't just be and work with many audiences and communities of these tokens. So that's why we created, and also that's why we also created it on Solana, because we want to be more involved and work more with Solana chain and Solana platform. But all of the utilities, all of the benefits will be same on Solana and Binance Smart Chain. If Solana pumps, Binance Smart Chain also pumps, because it pumps not because it's on Solana. It pumps because of major utilities of a bit as it is. So the pumping will be the same on all platforms. Doesn't matter where you list it. It's like pumping on different exchanges, centralized. If you're on Binance and Coinbase, if you pump on Binance, the price will go up also on Coinbase. Any planning for launch Bittoken in sex Binance, sir? Never ask when Binance. We will ban for these questions. Of course we have plans. Of course we have plans, and it will be with time. When we also will be good enough for Binance. Again, Binance pick only the best and strong projects. So let's move forward. Let's develop. Let's work. Let's be one family and help with for each other. Um, and we together will came to our goal. With asking when Binance, you doing nothing and you're not working about help to get to Binance. Have you slowed down burning? No, it's not slowed down. It's it works depends on the transactions, so it's a changeable thing. So probably actually our transactions amount just amount of transactions is smaller right now, and it's good. People not buy and sell, wait, buy and hold. It's okay. After we will add Solana, as I said, we will have double burning. Sir, in your opinion, we can hit $1 next year? Oh, I don't like these questions. No any price predictions. Never. Never, guys. If I will tell you I expect $500, will it be good for you? I'm expect $50,000 for the bit, but it's not good to provide you financial advices, promises, something like that. Because this is not works like this. We are working, we are developing, we are building ecosystem. No any company, no any good and transparent and strong company never provide you any price predictions. Because even on a classic market, on stock exchanges, companies never will say, "Oh, our shares will be cost now we cost $1. In the end of the year, we will cost $100." No one say no one will say this for you. They can just share predictions of the profitability and their profits for the next quarter. This is what actually we can share with you, with the shareholders. Because all is changeable in the market, first of all, and all depends on the company and company development. And as you can see, we are good in development. We're doing many things. We're working about huge and great things. Oh, by the way, want to remind you about our launchpad. Launchpad. So again, it's the next huge thing. Let me just describe you shortly about launchpad. So we started with launchpad especially for the gamify game finance, because play to earn model right now very popular. It's on the top of the popularity on the market right now. So as exchange, we can be a launchpad and moonbase for the launching of the good and best projects. So we actually mentioned we're looking for next Axie Infinity. We're looking for the next top NFT players like CryptoPunks. We are looking for next top game what will be launched on the market with our help, and we will help them about PR and marketing development, about development on crypto market, about partnerships. So it's our unique offer to this project, and no one exchange will offer you the full these full-fledged services and this package of the services what we offer. We have a great and strong community, and they will be happy to support this project. We just looking for the best on the market, the strongest, with good team, with good product, and you can apply anytime. It has a Google form. Apply as if you are a project creator of a team, and we actually will consider, we check your application. But again, we will pick only strongest, we will pick only future gems, because you see we have the same strategy about listing, and for the launchpad also only the best ones will be picked by us, because this is our partners, this is a parts of our ecosystem, and we want to be our ecosystem strong, and only strong and perspective projects will work with us. Do we need to buy bit on Solana DEX? since no bridging from existing network. If you want to buy, you can pick buy from Binance Smart Chain or and Pancake, or you can buy it from Solana DEX using another crypto. These things depends on you. We don't want dividend, but want to burn by using it money. Burning has the same rules as the dividends. Once a quarter, we will decide it. GameX supporter. Same question already described. Why same question? What about our shares bought on in Binance Smart Chain Network? What will happen since the priority now is on Solana network? Again, guys, you just don't understand how crypto market works. We're not making full migration to Solana, and we're not putting the first priority to Solana. It will work and move in parallel. Solana right now just in priority of some product developments, but on Binance Smart Chain we have a staking product. So you see, both networks is in development and they used by us. Again, even if Binance Smart Chain will be not developed and all will be developed on Solana, it's just availability for you to use most priority and most useful for you network. Doesn't matter. We tomorrow we can if, like, for example, EOS will start will be the top one on the crypto market. Tomorrow we will also create a bridge or create some supply on EOS network. It's just I provided you example, and it will be the same. Many tokens on the market has a different blockchains. If you will check CoinMarketCap, a lot of them have Ethereum smart contracts and Binance Smart Chain contracts, and it's total same. Please say bit to the moon, bit to the moon. If you will be happy with it, bit to the moon, definitely. Here is it. Okay, guys. Many questions, many questions. I like it. um, mm, what plans do you have for Africa when we take Biconomy exchange and token? What do you mean when you take Biconomy exchange? If you buy our token, no plans for Africa. If you want, we'll buy this token. I'm kidding. African market is very good and interesting for development. Again, we have an ambassador program. All depends on the market potential. So African market has good potential, but to work where we need some insiders, we need internal team as a partners. So Alex, can you please send ambassador program again for the people? If you just private investor Gizmo, you can support Biconomy, support project, and send this ambassador program to some team or people interested in maybe cooperation with Biconomy and opening office in Africa. Doesn't matter, it will be Nigeria, South Africa. We just need a good team and insiders who will able to work with us and help us. And we actually providing huge opportunity to make money on this market. They don't need to pay for us any royalties, any budget. So we have just need to have some money for the spendings for PR and marketing, and that's it. We don't need to pay any royalties for us as like franchisee. So we are happy to develop all of the markets. As I said, I think in 1 year we can open 15 offices around the world, like branches of Biconomy. Right now we in negotiations with couple. Probably soon we will have a new office in United Arab Emirates, because we have good investors and people interested to work with us and develop this business. So step by step we will add more countries. Staking at the end, yes, already explained. Again, about Solana, Binance Smart Chain, guys, all explained. Please tell us what is the next great project Biconomy have. Already explained, guys. Check out the video. Many projects in development, new products will come, and check our roadmap. Right now we have many things what even not in roadmap, but we working about it. After the summer, can we get summary with? Yes, will be text summary and a video also. FedEx and Shiba swap is also very good for Biconomy. We both have huge army if we list bit. Yes, as I said, plans for this year, for the bit token listing to be listed on many exchanges as much as possible. So definitely, especially if it's free and easy to join, because when it's not free, it's negotiation moments, and sometimes we with top exchanges we can continue for the months. But when it's free, you just go and list. Why not support BEP20 network USDT and other coin deposit in Biconomy exchange? Yes, guys, next week we will list BNB and BEP20 will be supported. I agree. It should be on FedEx. Okay, great. We see your opinion, and we will take care about it. Gizmo, why so many questions for Africa? If you will if you ask it many times, you will never get answer. Okay. Sol contract address still the same or a new contract address? It will be a new contract address and different because it's Solana chain. So guys, be attentive. Don't find out now until the official announcement any Solana contract address, and be attentive because a lot of scammers on the market. We can't control all of them, so please be careful about it and wait until official announcement. It will be different, and only have a trust to our official announcement. I just saw your exchanger website, but looks like simple website and not much future. How you plan to improve and make your exchanger grow rapidly? First of all, not exchanger, but exchange, cryptocurrency exchange. What you want to see on our website, like flying rocket or some effects, some videos. The main priority to provide you the best solutions about trading. So go and check our trading page and trading interface. Try to trade on our platform, and you will see what it's very good. And the crypto exchange websites, first of all, need to provide the best solutions about trading, and our trading page is better than Binance trading page because it's pleasant. And I'm actually previously trader on stock market, and I use sometimes trading cryptocurrencies, so I taking care about charts, I taking care about usability of trading part, because mostly you will spend the time on the market, and you will look at the charts, and you will buy and sell. So this usability, infrastructure, and design is first priority. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's many questions, guys. um, about staking, many questions. What you actually are not, you have some troubles. You have high commission. Your bit tokens disappear. Okay, first of all problems is from your you're not doing research, because all information provided. The first thing, actually, Alex, please send all staking information, especially PDF instruction. When you stake and have certain API amount, for example 1000 percent API, when you stake first time, if you want to add more and stake more, the bit tokens, the harvest, will be collected after you will stake new portion of the bit and add new liquidity. It goes to your wallet. So don't run to the chat and say, I lost my bit tokens. Go to your wallet and check it. It's like automatic after harvest model, and it actually works on all staking platforms. Also, when you stake second time, your APY might be changed, because it's like queue, and it's dependable on the number of the people on the market. So for example, today I came to staking, I get 1000% of the API, and I was like second person who came. But tomorrow I come in again, and it's already 10 people who staked, and we divide all rewards to them. So if I stake tomorrow, I will get like not 1000, I will get like 800% of APY, because it going lower with number of participants and situation with rewards distribution. So you also need to check it and understand. And always check your wallet, check your transactions. High commissions. Many people face problem what they need to pay 0.4 BNB for unstaking. All commissions, it's from Binance Smart Chain site. We do not charge any commissions for staking or unstaking. All commissions goes. We just providing you bit rewards, and all commission goes from Binance Smart Chain, and it was just Binance Smart Chain issue, and you just need to wait it. Refresh page, wait for 10 minutes, for 30 minutes, because it's a smart chain automatic system, and sometimes it has some problems, and it's not our fault. And of course, understand what we have a 6% tax from each transaction. So it also works during staking and unstaking. Who are the partners and investors of Biconomy exchange? Any full list of investors? You will never get this full of list on investors. Guys, don't ask these questions. It's same. You can go to any bank in your country and go and ask where a list of investors. You will never get it. We have some public investors. We will update our partner section during like couple days. We will add many partners because we just don't have time to add all of them. There will be some public funds, but it's also a lot of private investors. So never wait for the full list. It's just, sorry, but it's like stupid question. If you want to be our private big investor, okay, write to admins and maybe you can find way for me and we can talk about it. What is the marketing plan? Good plan. Ambitious. Marketing, again, marketing always on the way. Marketing always, we are working about it. So please do not ask when. If you can't see it, if you don't want to make research and check it, there is not our fault. Okay. What's CZ your best friend, sir? Yes, sir. I know CZ personally. I know a lot of people from Cryptosphere. Okay, I see. We are good with questions. Okay, any last questions, please? Only related to products, new things, new stuff. If you have something. Because we can finalize it right now and move forward. I need to go work. Many things to do. What is current active members on Biconomy exchange? What is the growth rate on month to month, basic in terms of member or turnover? It's more than 300,000 users registered. and the daily active it's around like 50,000. Growth rate, nobody will show you growth rate. It's confidential information. Because you see, I'm always telling you what everybody on crypto market is kind of friends. But anyway, such kind of personal data about growth rate, how growing, it's actually hunted by competitors, so it never will be public. Okay. Um, what will be the next staking when the first round BitBUSD ends? Will it be still BitBUSD pair? We will see, guys. We will see. Current staking is ongoing, so all will be dependable situation. So actually, it can be like in one or couple months. So we will check out. Maybe it will be different pair, or maybe will be same. We can add couple more pairs. So do not worry. Anyway, you can see what every time if we providing anything, we are going deeper and provide additional development. We just not showing up the same products what have on the market or what was previously on our exchange. We always provide additional and beneficial things for you as a bit token holders. For AMA, are you considering Phantom Chain as well? No, Phantom Chain is very small and not developed enough. So in our opinion, Binance Smart Chain and Solana Chain is most developed right now in the market, has a good potential. We will be on the top of the market next couple of years, so that's why we're making this decision in this time frame. After that, we will see if some things will be happen on the market or another leader will be on the top and will be popular. Of course, we will look closely and work with this chain also. Question: website says it's a Canadian venture. Why application shows small message at bottom in Chinese? Canadian venture, Canadian company registered in Canada. We have a international team and we have a also people and some team members in China. So this form actually probably was developed by a Chinese person, and that's why it has some Chinese things. So guys, do not worry. President Putin mentioned about accepting crypto as a payment. Do you have any plans on going into Russian market? First of all, you need to carefully and deeply check the news. He said about potential, but crypto is not yet official payment due to the high volatility and the risks. So I'm not sure we will accept it even in couple years. But anyway, we interested in any market, and Russian market, Ukrainian, and all CIS market also in our interest. Our contract address is audited. Yes, it's audited. No worries. Guys, you asking like childish questions. Sorry, but like you thinking you are coming to a new project and ICO or something like that. Without audit, we can't be accepted on Trust Wallet on Binance Smart Chain scan and can't pass KYC without audit. So you should understand this. Okay. Malik, please check video after. Okay, guys, let's finalize today's AMA. I'm really glad to see you today. It was a great Friday. Market is very bullish. Bitcoin goes up, and very positive things going on the market. And we also were very positive, and again want to remind you about our updates and huge things. What we are developing own Solana DEX for our Bit token with deflationary model in it. So next week it will appear and you will able to use it. And second huge thing, what we are preparing, second round of airdrop for $50,000 and Bit tokens. It will be supported by CoinMarketCap. So also very huge thing. The third is what we have Biconomy anniversary activities ongoing now. So also huge thing. Please participate. Fourth, it's launchpad for the gamify NFT project. So also you can share information, distribute it to your friends. Maybe you know some projects with good potential, but interested to participate in this launchpad. Again, the important thing, only best and strongest will be on this launchpad. Okay, video will be saved on our YouTube. Do not worry, check it again, and you will get all answers for your questions. So I want to congratulate you for being with us. I want to congratulate what you are holders of such great token of Bit. You can see what we're working hard. We're moving forward every time. We're working hard about development, and we're interested. And again, we have the same goals to be a top 10 exchange and to make Bit token top 20 on the on the market, top 20 token on the market. We know how to do it. We're working hard about it. We have many things in development, and we already made many things about this. So right now we're interested about more expansion, more attraction of new community members and people. So thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you, guys, and see you next time. Maybe next Monday or Friday, sorry. Maybe next Friday or week after we will have again video armor for sure. Okay, thank you guys and goodbye.